Hi everyone. So today I'm here to show you guys how this product works. So actually I created this product 2 years ago, not thinking about myself because as you can see I'm tan, I'm not white. I love my tan skin, but this is for our clients who need this range. So marami sa mga clients namin naghahanap. That's why we have underarm whitening, bambang facials, and we also have V-Detox. These are all to solve the hyperpigmentation. Mostly women yung may kailangan nito, no? But this is actually also good for men. So let's do this one first. So this one is actually called Snow Silk Glow Intense Whitening Body Lotion. So alam nyo na, the formula of this one is times 2. It has niacinamide, it has ascorbic acid, papaya fruit extract, snail secretion filtrate. So these agents are actually very good in whitening your skin. No? And this is intense. So the reason why I created this, because a lot of Filipinos go for whitening, but actually one thing that they commonly don't have is the SPF 50 protection. So this lotion does have SPF 50 to protect your skin while you're exposed in the sun. But hindi ko naman sinabing magbabad ka sa araw while using this. So you're defeating the purpose of this product. So you can use this, you can be exposed, but not too much, okay? Sabi nga nila moderation is okay, but too much hindi na siya. So let's test the texture. Ayan, oh, pakak. Perfect. Pakak. Ayan. It's actually very soft and mabilis siyang mag-evaporate sa skin. I did not put any white cast when I requested to our chemist. I really don't like white cast kasi it defeats the purpose also na parang you did put whitening and then maputi na. Parang niloloko mo yung sarili mo, no? So this one, you can use it day and night for at least 1 week or 2 to see result or changes in your skin. As you can see, the smell is really good. It smells like a Gucci floral scent, but mild lang. I don't want the scent to be overpowering. Just enough para when you put the lotion on your skin, it smells so good. And you smell so good also, day and night, di ba? Using this lotion. So the details is actually here. You can just scan the QR and then you will see all the details of the products. Ayan. So there is QR codes that you can scan. You can see the video, the entire ingredients, and how to use it. No? Okay, so that's our Snow Silk Glow Intense Whitening Lotion. So these are all available in Lazada and in our 11 Pink Parlor branches. Ito naman, sunod, Diamond Dew Skin. So this is a bleaching and exfoliating scrub. So alam mo na kapag bleaching, they commonly use it sa mga elbow, knees, bum, bikini, and sometimes neck. Lalo na yung ibang mga clients namin na medyo maiitim yung neck, they can actually use this. This is very mild on the skin, but of course, at least know your status, know your skin before using any types of products. So this is the texture. Ayan. Oh my God. As you can see, it has e-beads. So yung mga apricot yan and e-beads combined. So how you use this one is actually you put it on the skin and leave it for 15 minutes. Then after 15 or 20 minutes, or 15 minutes is recommended, you scrub it on your skin para yung mga vitamin E beads matunaw, and then your skin will absorb the vitamin E beads, which is good to nourish your skin. Kasi bleaching or bleaching creams tends to make our skin dry. So to solve that, the vitamin E beads will help nourish after doing bleaching on your skin para soft, smooth, supple, and baby skin ka pa din after you bleach. Diba? So that's how you use this one. You use it once a week or twice a week. It's fine until you get your desired result. Once you get your desired result, hindi mo na siya pwedeng gamitin, not unless umitim ka ulit. Kasi di ba, when you wear underwear, pumuti na siya. Then you consistently wear the same type of underwear na creates friction on your bikini area. So, maiitim pa din siya. So, I think you need to change your underwear. Something like yung mga, ano ba yung mga underwear ngayon na magaganda. Parang you buy it in Uniqlo or Decathlon also has it. Yung parang Airism. And alam yung mga underwear na yon? Ay, walang sumasagot sa akin. Ano yung underwear na yon? Basta, papakita ko na lang dito sa video. Ayan. This is the underwear I'm referring. So, this one is recommended if you don't want your bikini to be dark or mangitim, ganyan. Ayan. So, let's punas. The smell is also very good. Parang Katy Perry scent. When I asked my chemist about the scent, sabi ko I really wanted something na commonly used. I mean, or something na mabango. Hindi ginagamit madalas ng mga brands dito sa Philippines like lavender, jasmine, yung mga scent na parang ganun. I don't like to be, ayoko maging simple. Gusto ko, I want the smell to smell different. Ayan, para mga international scent. Because, you know, we do products that are not mediocre. We do effective products. Although, we don't advertise so much because this product is really only available at Pink Parlor and alam naman namin na binibili to. We don't advertise. But for the sake of you asking me, personally, my friends, all those who follow me on my page, akala mo content creator. Pero at least this one, you watch this video and understand what this product can help you with. Okay? So this next product is Insta White Dark Corrector. So it corrects the skin. Like yung sa elbow, hindi pantay yung kulay ng elbow mo versus your entire arm. So this will correct it. Kunyari, bikini, medyo maitim, underarm, ayan. So this will help to correct. This is actually our best seller and it's currently out of stock, but we will have it on our shelves back after a month. So, yan. Also, you can scan the code. So, all the products that we do has a QR code. So, para at least alam nyo lahat ng detalye, hindi na kayo nagtatanong or hindi nyo nahahanapin sa online. You just scan it and voila, there's the details. So, yun, that's it. Ayan, para sa mga gusto maging summer ready, I think this product will help you, okay? So these are all available on Lazada and all Pink Parlor stores in the metro. Until next time.